Hello, I'm Gilbert Clark, Chief Executive of Meridian Mining. We are a mineral development company with a simple focus, advancing a high-quality gold and copper project in Brazil towards production and building a growth pipeline around it. Our flagship asset is the Cabaçal project in the state of Mato Grosso. The deposit was originally discovered in the 1980s by BP Minerals and later worked by Rio Tinto. We acquired it in 2020, and since then we've completed an extensive drilling and study program that has, in our view, transformed it into one of the more attractive near-term gold-copper projects in the sector today. What gives us the confidence? Cabaçal is shallow, high-grade and sits close to existing infrastructure, sealed roads, grid power, water and access to a pool of skilled labour nearby. That combination keeps the capital cost to build it relatively low and the operating costs very competitive. Our pre-feasibility study, published in early 2025, laid out what the project looks like on a development footing. An open pit mine expected to produce around 141,000 ounces of gold equivalents every year over an initial 10-year life, with a payback of our upfront investment in under 18 months on the study's base case assumptions. What matters beyond the headlines is the quality underneath. The metallurgy at Cabaçal is clean, and we produce a high-grade copper-gold concentrate, real products with real buyers, in a market where clean copper concentrate is in a structural short supply. We've received the preliminary license. We've appointed Ausenco, a globally respected engineering firm, to deliver our definitive feasibility study, the next major milestone, which we expect to complete in the fourth quarter of this year. And discussions are underway with commercial banks and specialist mining lenders on the debt portion of the project financing. There's also potential growth beyond Cabaçal. We control more than 1,000 square kilometres of tenements across 3 prospective mineral belts, and our strategy is what we call hub and spoke. Build Cabaçal first as the central processing hub, and then feed it from satellite deposits around it. The next one is St. Helena, where we reported our maiden resource in January of this year. The intention is that once Cabaçal is generating cash, we fund the next phase of development organically, meaning we don't have to keep coming back to shareholders for capital to grow. Let me be direct about where we sit. Meridian is a development stage business and is not yet generating revenue. Until Cabaçal is in production, we rely on equity markets and, in due course, project debt to fund the construction. We are in a strong position going to this next chapter. We closed 2025 with a meaningful cash balance, and we raised further equity in February of this year. That funding takes us through completion of the feasibility study and the construction decision. We already trade on the Toronto Stock Exchange. London is an addition, not a replacement, and it matters to us for 3 reasons. Access to one of the deepest investor base in the world, expanded access to UK retail investors, and over time, the opportunity to join the FTSE indices. That's the platform we believe this next stage of our development deserves. We have a high-quality asset, a credible path to production and an experienced team, and a clear strategy for what comes next. Thank you for taking the time to find out more about Meridian Mining plc.